Last night we received calls in relation to disorder taking place in the Mayhill area of Swansea. Within minutes of receiving that first call, we did have officers on their way and quickly realised that there was disorder taking place on a scale that is unusual. We mobilised officers from all across the South Wales Police area to attend Mayhill and to deal with what was happening there. Numbers involved got up to around about 200 at some points, and this did present a very challenging situation for our officers. And their priority, working with emergency service colleagues, was to keep everyone safe. It became quite confrontational, and unfortunately missiles were thrown at our officers. Damage was caused to property. Some cars were set on fire. Whilst 7 of our officers were assaulted, I'm pleased to report that the injuries sustained were minor. Cuts, bruises, scratches, that kind of thing, but clearly a very difficult situation. The people of Mayhill experienced a very frightening and intimidating situation last night. Utterly unacceptable behaviour. Last night we launched an investigation. The investigation started as the incident itself was still in progress, and we are pulling together everything we can in terms of evidence. So that's social media footage, body-worn video footage from our officers, and also reports that we're receiving from the community. I am very confident that everyone who was involved in last night's disorder will be identified, and anyone who committed crime last night, engaged in criminal behaviour or antisocial behaviour, will be identified and will be held to account for what they did. So if anybody is thinking of planning a repeat of last night's behaviour, then my plea and strong suggestion would be not to do so. They will be met with a very robust policing response. Our investigation into last night's events is ongoing, and we will be absolutely tireless in our pursuit of those responsible. Utterly unacceptable behaviour, not what we expect to see here in South Wales, and a very difficult situation for the communities of Mayhill. We're going to have additional officers on the streets of Mayhill for the next few days, and we'll be working very closely with our partners in the local authority to make sure that we help the people of Mayhill through this difficult situation. They can be reassured and feel confident that we will be there for them and with them until we return to a state of normality.